subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei is reported to launch their first ever mid-range 5G smartphone, which is set to called Nova 6 5G. Before the launch, the Nova 6 renders were leaked online by 91 Mobiles that shows the blue color variant of the upcoming smartphone. According to the leaked renders, the Nova 6 will feature a pill-shaped punch hole on the top left corner of the display that carries dual cameras, and it looks similar to what we see on Samsung's Galaxy S10 Plus smartphone. The edges of the screen are covered by minor bezels and a small chin at the bottom. Coming to back, the Nova 6 appears to have a glass sandwich design with gradient color scheme. The rear panel will feature a triple camera setup including LED flash, which is aligned vertically at the top left corner, and along with the cameras there is something that could be a laser autofocus or 3D TOF sensor. There is no physical fingerprint sensor appears on the rear panel. That means the Nova 6 might feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. The volume rockers along with the power button are visible on the right side. Apart from this, we can notice black lines on the sides as well as on the top edge of the phone, which could be an antennas for 5G connectivity. The specifications of Huawei Nova 6 were not known at the moment, and regarding release date, the smartphone is expected to launch as early as December. So as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei Nova 6 5G variant, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.